Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Friends, today in this lecture we will discuss here the most important topic, phase space. So we will continue and we will see the definition of phase space, what is phase space and what is significance of phase space. So we will discuss here all things about our phase space. Phase space is an imaginary space which consists by physical space and momentum space. Here physical space means we want to say that real space. So we can write here phase space is an imaginary space phase space is an imaginary space which consists of physical space and momentum space. If we want to describe in mechanics the dynamical state of any particle, then we need two coordinates. The first is position and next is velocity, or we can say that momentum. Here in physical space, or to describe the position of any particle, we require positional coordinates, and to discuss the velocity of any particle or momentum of any particle, we require momentum coordinates. So to represent dynamical state of any particle, we need two types of coordinates. Here we can write in short. First is positional coordinates. Which is also known as position space and next one is momentum coordinates, which is known as momentum space. So as we have told you in mechanics, to describe the dynamical state of any particle, we need two types of coordinates, positional coordinates and momentum coordinates. Here positional coordinates will be x, y, z, because it is also known by the name real space. In real space, if we want to find the position of any particle, then we require three coordinates x, y, z, and in a similar way, if we want to momentum of any particle, then we need momentum coordinates, and momentum coordinates is px, py and pz. Here friends, px, py and pz are the momentum coordinates, are the coordinates of momentum along the positional coordinates x, y, z respectively. By the figure here we can see momentum coordinates very easily. If we take here one point and we want to find out the momentum of this point, here axis, or we can say that coordinates of this momentum space, here we are our imagination is this is momentum space. and its coordinates along x-axis is px and along y-axis is py and along z-axis is pz. Here we are considering its origin is O. This is momentum space. If we want to find out the momentum of any particle or at any point of any particle, then here its momentum will be px, py and pz, and in this space we can find out the momentum of any particle at any time. So here we can draw all axes of this momentum space such as it will be px, it will be pz and it will be py. So friends, I hope what is momentum space has been clear to all of you. In momentum space it has three coordinates px, py, pz. Px is axis, px is coordinates along the x-axis of positional coordinates. Remember please, it is px is momentum coordinates along the x-axis of positional coordinates and py is the momentum coordinates of along the y-axis of positional coordinates. Similarly along z-axis is pz. It is along the z-axis of positional coordinates. So it represents momentum space. Momentum space. And friends, as we have told you, or all of you have discussed in previous classes also, in a real space, if we are considering it is real space, its coordinates is x, y, z, then position of any particle is x, y, z. As we have told you, it will be in real space, it will be in momentum space. As in a real space, any points represents the all coordinates x, y, z are position of any particle. In a similar way, here any point in this space, in this momentum space, represents momentum coordinates here as we have shown px, py, pz of any point of any particle. So if we want to find out, we want to observe the momentum coordinates of any particle at any point, then here we can find very easily with the help of this momentum space or with the help of these momentum coordinates. Friends, remember please, as you know, in real space these axes x, y and z form a orthogonal system. Orthogonal system means here we want to say that all this axis x, y and z are perpendicular to each other. Here x is perpendicular to y, y is perpendicular to z and z is perpendicular to both x and y. So friends, here in this momentum space, px, py and pz are also perpendicular to each other. It also makes orthogonal system, and it is our imagination. It is real space, but here momentum space, as we have told you many concepts about of momentum space, but it is our imagination. Momentum space is imaginary space. Now friends, as we have told you, to describe the dynamical state in mechanics of any particle, we need two types of coordinates. One is positional coordinates or positional space, and second is momentum coordinates or momentum space. After observation of these two types of coordinates or position space and momentum space, Now we imagine a third type of space, coordinates of which space at any point in this space is consist by 6 coordinates. 3 coordinates of position space and 3 coordinates of momentum space. This space which have 6 coordinates, 3 position coordinates and 3 momentum coordinates is known as phase space, and it is completely imaginary space. It is not a real, it is only known in a mathematical way, and it used for describing the dynamical state of any particle. So friends, here we can write in a theoretical way also. An imaginary space which have 6 coordinates, Here we can write 3 position plus 3 momentum, 3 position coordinates and 3 momentum coordinates. This type of space is known as 6 coordinates. Then this type of space is known as phase space. Now friends, here we can say or we can write very easily, phase space is equal to the sum of position space plus momentum space. Position space plus momentum space. Position space is x, y, z, which is 3 plus 3 momentum space px, py and pz, and also here we can write it will be total phase space is equal to 6 coordinates. 6 coordinates, 3 position coordinates plus 3 momentum coordinates, and here also we can write here x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. Sorry, px, py, pz. Px, py, pz. 3 position space and 3 momentum space. So friends, as also we have told you, phase space is an imaginary space. Phase space is an completely imaginary space, and it is used to describe the dynamical state of any particle at any time, at any instant. It is use of phase space. So friends, I hope the everything of phase space has been clear to all of you. So today we will stop here and we will come with the next important topic of your paper, of your part, statistical physics. So today we will stop here. Thank you very much.